What's up everyone? Thank you for watching, thank you for comment. Jane Olasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode will be doing a little bit good finds of this week and another good finds, and it pick them from different store, not just in the Nike outlet. And I got me one on the Nike outlet, got on TJmaxx and Ross Dress for Less. First up, we'll be doing checking out these boots from pick them up on Ross Dress for Less, and you can see $49.99, and it is the Frye Boots. And if you look on those brands on this side, and usually Frye Boots are way expensive, like $200 Frye Boots. You see that one right there, the numbering Frye, also the number, and it's because brand is they call it prison boots, because they put some kind of special oil all around on this, so it looks like it looks like a rugged been used, but still brand new, as you can see. And it says oil resistant, and the logo of the Frye right here, and also the logo inside, and it is on my size. And if you've been in my channel or in my Instagram, been showing some of my boots, actually pick up already one of the boots, and I'm gonna compare it, because one of those boots really comfortable when I went for a trip back to the Philippines, and I've been using those like from United States to America, and to United States to the Philippines, and it's really comfortable. And this one is like really hard outsole. Retail on this one is way $250, and got them for $49.99. Not bad for a Frye Boots, and it's really nice, soft, and it is 100% leather. Next one, we got cute couple in TJmaxx. There we go. And another one. There we go. We got the Nike Air foam faucet, and this one is a female or for women's shoes, but the size can fit on men's. So this one, where is the size? There you go. So this one is size 11, and check out the price. $40 or $39.99, $40 for a foam faucet. You can't go wrong for a foam faucet, and the colorway is not actually really exclusive for just women, because white and silver. The size is 11 and a half, and can be 11 and can be converted to men's, so it is still good for men's, and it's fit on me, and it will be going to the collection. It will be my first foam faucet collection, so I already took out the tag. So this one will be going on foot, and this one going to buyer, so that one will be flipping. And they had an extra lace, nice foam faucet. Been wanting to get me one, but usually composites is really expensive, and they're not really like dropping the price like crazy to $49.99 in the outlet. No, they like still on the price range of 100 and out. Not, they're not going like really low like 99 or 90. Composite don't go that price low on the outlet. So especially they will some buyers will buy already even though it's like 100, because usually composite price somewhere 200 to 225. This one not bad for the price of $40. Good size for men, and color still good for men. So just see, look around, classic composite right there, and the carbon fiber, and it looks like plastic but it's like rubber. And there you go for a composite for $40, as you can see right there, and got them on TJmaxx. So if you are new and you don't know what is the Ross and TJmaxx, it's like a retail store that getting stuff from a branded store, and they are selling for a cheaper price, and they are still a good ones and not bad for the price. So move on to another pickup on the outlet, which is not bad for the price. We got the Nike React Flyknit and Air Force, and we got Jordan 32. Yep, Air Jordan 32. This will be the Nike Epic React Flyknit on the collection, because I have 2 or 3 and I really like the Flyknit because it's really soft, really comfortable, really breathable, and also the Epic React, it's really soft. If I'm running, it is really good. Let me know if you want me to compare these running shoes with the other running shoes with the Ultra Boost, Adidas Ultra Boost. So the colorway on this one is Oreo colorway, which is the black and white. The color, I really like it because it will not really get noticeable. It gets dirty because the black, the grayish or Oreo colorway all around, not bad, because if it's running with it, you would be able to really see the dirt. And just like the other shoes of the Epic React, it's really stretchable, Flyknit sole, very comfortable and really soft on running. So please let me know if you want me to do some on foot review, Epic React, also with the other Epic React, also with the Adidas Ultra Boost, and if you want me to compare on foot review, casual perspective, also for performance review. Let's move on with the other shoes. We got the Air Force 1 7 LV8 Sport, and if you looking for the price, retail on this one is 100, and they were selling for $54.97, and then additional 30% off. And there you go, we got the Air Force 1. The colorway is University Gold, black and white, and I believe this one is specially made on the NBA basketball, and if I'm not mistaken, this one colorway is for the Lakers colorway for the Air Force 1. As you can see in the back, NBA, nice leather, and the Air Force 1 kind of a little bit heavy, but it is the classic Air Force 1. Not much going on, but the colorway is really made for basketball team for the Lakers exclusive colorway, and there you go. And price $54.97 down to $41. So next one, we got the Jordan 32. Oops. 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 And this one, I think it's in the wrong box though. So usually they have different boxes, and but here you go. We got the Air Jordan 32. So this one is specially made for Westbrook, because why not right there, and right there. And it's a fly knit version, and I really like fly knit compared to leather, because if you're looking at this one, they you could use them twice, 3 times, or 5 times. You will see creases on the toe back, but if you're using a fly knit, you won't be able to see the line, the creases around here. And I believe it's durable because it was specially made, and more breathable compared to leather. And also I really like the stretchable of the leather. The only downside that I've seen in the fly knit, because it is made of cloth, they will pop out if they were got into deep in those, and then it will pop out. But I have the Ultra Boost to show it to you next time. Basketball shoes, Air Jordan 32, not bad for the price, for $59.97, then additional 30% off. Not bad for these basketball shoes. Among of these pickup of the week, best pickup of the week, I really like the composite for $40. Retail on this one usually $200, $225, and the Frye Boots usually retail on this one is $250 and up, and then I picked them up for $49.99. Not bad for this week, not bad for the shoe, not bad, especially on TJmaxx and Ross. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know what you think. Leave the comment down below, and also give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. So I hope you like this video. See you later. Peace.